This week we're having a special Tuesday since we had the live stream last night. That's just Øllebrød, which is tried on Tuesday.
Yeah.
And that's the empty pot, and this is it inside of
inside the bowl.
In the bowls.
I don't think Josh followed the rules of baking when making this. There was a lot of like throwing things in here. It smelled good in the pot, but we're gonna see how this goes. We put a little milk in here because we didn't have any cream, and that's my fault because I was at the store and I forgot to get it. But we're gonna try it, and we have some pears, seasonal fruit, as I was instructed to get. So
go for it.
I'm gonna go for it. We're gonna see what happens. Should I get some pear in there?
Anything that might help the taste.
We don't know how it's gonna taste.
People have warned us.
It's unique, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
What do you think?
It's different.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm really itching to try mine. All right.
Okay.
Brisket? All right, here you go.
All right. And
All right.
pardon my kitchen in the background. We just had dinner.
I'm going to be honest. Where Miranda wasn't honest, I'm going to be honest. We had an audio issue, and we've done this already. So that's why my plate is a little messy. And it's almost like the heavens wanted to torture us.
I feel like you're excited about getting to relive this
making
moment.
us do it twice. It wanted us to do it twice. It said, Josh, the first time wasn't enough, so we're going to mess the audio up so that you have to have it again. So maybe I'll put a little video minus the audio of our initial reaction to the first time, just so you can see that moment. My guess, it'll probably be...
Maybe it's been sitting here for a minute, so maybe
it tastes better now.
There was a moment before the first time around when they put more things.
Yeah, I put more honey and cinnamon in it, thinking it would improve things, but I determined it basically is like it's a black hole, and it sucks in everything good, and none of the light comes out of it, and it tasted exactly the same.
Yeah. Did it? You look like you're on a show Fear Factor.
I mean, like a cockroach. I mean,
guys, I'm not sure this is a win for it. Is this better or worse than Gammeldansk?
Maybe I need to get some and make it taste better. Get some Gammeldansk out of the freezer and just do a shot.
Oh.
I'm gonna get something out of the freezer here. Oh my god, it's all buried.
Oh my god, he's getting... By the way, this is what you guys have done to us. This is our giant freezer that we now own because you guys keep telling us to buy liquor. Let's see what happens.
Let's see if this improves the taste of either the Gammeldansk.
I feel like you've just taken this up a notch.
Why
pour it in a shot glass? You should just pour it on top.
No. I'm gonna do a shot of it.
Oh my god.
So let's see if either the Gammeldansk tastes better, and look, frosty, straight out of the freezer. Or if this tastes better.
Okay, go for it.
That tastes the same as it did last time. What has it done to my palate?
Any better? No.
It makes me want to cry. My eyes are watering a little bit, I think. So the first time Maya was in here and she tried some, when Maya tastes stuff, it's just like, she's just like,
She takes the tiniest bite.
Yeah, so it doesn't count.
What if we...
No, we just need to end this.
Okay. Stop the suffering.
We need to end this. So,
guys, we tried.
So this was, because we did the live stream yesterday, because right now it's Monday night for us. Miranda's birthday today. Happy birthday. We thought we'd just do a very short Tuesday video, not a long one, because you might be saturated with too much Youngs this week. So we've been saving up this specific for a very special Tried on Tuesday, only Tuesday episode. And it really it lived up to the warnings.
Yeah. It delivered.
It delivered. Wow. Well, there you go. Tried on Tuesday. Øllebrød. We'll see you. Well, there you go. We're gonna end it with that for this week's. Try it on Tuesday.
I mean, this is why it's called Try It on Tuesday.
That's true, man. You don't know what you're going to get.
Not every Try It on Tuesday
and
can be good.
we've been holding this one for today.
Not every one of them can be good.
Øllebrød.
Yeah.
Øllebrød.
Yeah.
Try it on Tuesday, Travelin Young.